Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you're not familiar with my channel or anything like that, I do tons of different stuff from clothing to dog unboxings to my car to just tons of random stuff. A while back I surprised my brother with some merchandise. It's called Relentless Betrayal. It's a website that's for pirate type stuff, pirate theme, boat theme. My brother dresses up as a pirate down in Florida. He's kind of a big deal. I don't know. Absolutely love it. It's fun. But I got him some flags and some other stuff from their website a while back. I've been following them for a long time and I love their merchandise. So I finally went ahead and bought a bunch myself. I wanted to kind of give you a review of the quality of their clothing. I bought flags for my brother's boat. They've lasted for several years in the sun before they finally started fading. So I bought him some new flags that I'll be bringing down eventually when I go to visit him. But I am now an affiliate through them, so you can get a really good discount if you follow and use the code in the video description. I'm going to try to keep the code the same, but the different the code might give you different discounts at different times. But it's basically they have you create a code. Like right now it's RB Geeky, but it's only good until April 20th. But they're always creating different stuff, and I'm going to try to keep the same code. So whatever discount it is for that month or time frame, it's better than pretty much any code out there from what I've seen. I did search for codes and I couldn't find a better code than mine. So check it out for yourself. I absolutely love this. So it's, you know, the shark. Okay, check that out. So batten down the hatches. And then the next one is going to be another sweatshirt. And I know my daughter's going to be stealing these as well. So I like unique things that a lot of people don't see everywhere else. They have a bunch of other cool sweatshirts and shirts that unfortunately have been sold out for a while. I've been trying to get them. So no pray, no pay. Absolutely love that saying. You know, you don't do the work, you're not getting paid. So no prey, as in like no hunting, nothing to hunt down, you're not getting paid. So, and I love the styling. It's kind of like a camouflage, but it's like a camouflage tie-dye. And the Relentless Betrayal. So it's really neat. I might give one of these to my brother, we'll see. They are kind of on the pricey side, but the quality of these things, they're thick. Like feel like I wish you could feel the thickness. But like they're very thick. They're not like a thin sweatshirt. So you're getting what you're paying for. Then, yeah, I got a lot, by the way. So bear with me as we go through this. So I got a nice colorful. And I wish the hoodie, I think they had a sweatshirt of this as well, but it was sold out. So I had to get just the t-shirt of it. But like, check it out. You know, I'm a storyteller. You can ask my wife. Tell stories, or true stories, but stick to the yellow. So I get two different, so I got a ton of different yellow. I don't have a lot of yellow in my clothing lineup. So, and then you have the trustless tribe, meaning like don't trust anyone. It's kind of cool, trustless tribe. Pullover hoodie. Again, these are thick, but they're different materials. So this one's not as like, it doesn't seem as thick as the other one. This is the tie-dyes, but it is really nice. Like I can't wait. These are extra large. I like wearing stuff baggy. So that's why if it looks kind of big, it is kind of big because like I said, I like things baggy. And then my daughter steals them. The bigger they are, she's not gonna possibly steal them. Oh, this is the one I've been waiting on. This is the one I really like. So, camouflage. So you got the camouflage, then the Relentless Betrayal. But this is what I like right here. So this will fit with my car community really well. Like the lone wolf. So I do a lot of lone wolf. I've been part of the car community for a really long time. But I kind of like doing my own thing. I've been part of some car clubs and stuff like that, but I always end up back to being solo because it just No one goes to as many. Most of the car clubs that I belong to, they end up burning out, or they don't go to as many shows as I go to, and it just kind of like gets annoying. So, and then I got the yellow Lone Wolf, and this is really big. I should have probably got the large, and then even those, they'll shrink down, but like you can see, extra large is like, it is really big. But I'm gonna throw these in the wash and they will shrink because if I remember correctly, they're like 100% cotton. So, and the other part that I love about it is the fact that, yeah, so it's 80% cotton and 20% polyester. So it's basically, it says machine wash on cold, tumble dry on low, so that way it doesn't shrink. But I want mine to shrink, so I'm gonna actually run it like on hot water and hot cycle, so it will shrink. But check it out. Then we have 2 flags that I'm going to give to my brother. I'll pull those out in a second. The last one is going to be, yeah, I got a lot of stuff, I know. And it's not winter anymore, it's summer. But another like camouflage style. I'll put a link to all this stuff in the video description. Then here you go. And I like their sayings. So they are also, I guess these are all tattoo designs that these come from. So, never die easy. So it fits my military background, you know, never die easy. Don't, you know, make yourself an easy target. So they threw in a hold fast, little hold fast coin. Oh, you can see that. And then the Relentless Betrayal stickers. I absolutely love stickers. I'm going to throw that on my garage wall. And then they have the being a part of you know, the crew. And it gives like you know, receive $10 off your first order. But my discount actually gives you better discount depending on how much you're going to order. Probably gives you a lot more than $10 off. So the last thing that you have is the 2 flags. So the 2 different flags. For my brother's boat, no quarters. And then the other flag, if I can find the opening of this, I'll just... Sorry, didn't want to open. Why has it got to be so difficult? The last flag is going to be oh yeah, these are big, by the way. So no pray, no pay. Another flag for my brother. So yeah, that's everything that I got. But like I said, check out my video description for the discount code, as well as I will try to keep updated posts on my Instagram. So I'll put a link to my Instagram in the link below as well. So I'll always be updating my link for my code to give you a discount. And discount, like I said, is better than most of their advertised discounts. So share with your friends, enjoy, take care, and tell me what you think of all the clothing. And go to their website and tell me what your favorites are. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. And check out whatever other YouTube videos YouTube recommends to you. And take care. Bye.